you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some Ipsy bags. This is mystery bags. Do you want to see what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, these are mystery bags. It popped up on my Ipsy that they were having a mystery bag. They were $12 each, and what it said was, strip down your look with 5 surprise products, including summer skincare and nude makeup, all in one bag. And they were $12 each. And I did post on my community tab and I think on Instagram that they had them available. And then after a couple hours, I guess they were completely sold out. I did purchase them. I actually purchased 3 so we can see if there are different variations. I'm hoping so, because most of their mystery bags are a little different. It did come in this box with all 3 of them in here. I was kind of hoping this was going to be my Ipsy Plus. My Ipsy Plus was started tracking on the 6th, and now 7 days later, it finally now decides to start moving again. So for 7 days, it just sat stalemate somewhere. I don't know. So now it shows I'm not getting it until the end of the week. So at least I have something Ipsy to show you guys. I did receive one of my glam bags. I'm still waiting on the other one so I can do my Ipsy versus Ipsy. So Ipsy's all messing me up this week. But here are 3 different surprise mystery bags. So let's go ahead and dive on in and see what these are. So let's go ahead and go with the first one. And they're all in the gold bags, as you can tell. And, right, nothing inside. Sometimes they have bigger items that they stick inside there. But here is the bag. That is very cute. It looks kind of like a lavender pinkish color. That is very pretty. It has a little pull tab and it says Ipsy, but that is definitely different. I like that. So, ooh, and inside it is a bright pink. There's no card or anything, so let's just dump these products out and let's see what's in here. So again, all inside is just hot pink. There's the outside, very cute bag to start off. So the first item is a blush oil stick. There's the brand, and I don't use blush, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys, but it says directions for use. Simply dab on 2 cheeks and lips. Oh, you could even put on your lips. For a pinch of color formulated to blend effortlessly. All right, is there a color? Peek behind the scenes. Are you curious? There is, I guess, the color. Let's see what it kind of looks like without actually opening it. So it's a pretty packaging. Let's see. And it's covered. So there is the color right there, and it does have a plastic protective cover sealing that up. So I'm not going to remove that, but there is the color right there. So this is a blush. So again, I will go ahead and set this aside for one of you guys to enjoy. So there's item number 1. Next we have is in this little guy. Let's see what this is. Okay, M&M pressed taupe. It looks like it's a brown color. Ooh, that's actually kind of pretty. There's that. And let's get it swatched. Very lighter on my skin, but it has a mauve-ish color to it instead of like a burgundy or like a brown. It looks more brown in the pan, but coming off, I get like a lavenderish color. That's very pretty. I actually really like that. Very pretty. So there is that. So there's item number 2. I don't know why I smelled my finger where the eyeshadow was. Some eyeshadows smell good, especially Too Faced. They've spoiled me. And some, what is it, Tarte, and some others. So I get a little spoiled. This is Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. All right, so we have a skincare product right there. And let's see. There's a safety seal. Let's see what it smells like and the consistency. So it's just a white, like a cream, and it doesn't, I'm picking up a slight citrusy smell, but it feels nice. So I can't wait to try that. Where'd my cap go? Rolled away. Directions: apply morning and night to cleansed skin. That's nice. I can't wait to try that out. Next we have is IBY. This is a Radiant Glow highlighter, and I love IBY's eyeshadow. That's what I wear pretty much, I don't know, more times than not, it seems. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what this highlighter is. I do have one highlighter, I do believe. I'm not quite sure, but there's not a mirror or anything, which is fine. There is the color right there. And let's go ahead and get this swatched. Ooh. Whoa. It's right there. Let's see here. Whoa. Hello, highlight. Bling, bling. There we go. That is very nice. I like that. So I'm glad to get that. Next we have is a Pixie by Petra, and this is a sheer rose. This looks like a lip gloss, and I don't have any lip products by Pixie by Petra. So let me see, how in the world do I get this thing opened? Ooh, that smells like mentholy. Oh, and it's not like an actual, it's more of like a gloss. Yeah, it's definitely more of like a gloss. It's right there. It is very mentholy smelling, but it's just like a gloss. I actually like that. So there is the 5th item right there. So again, this bag has the lip gloss, the highlighter, the eyeshadow, this blush stick, and a moisturizing cream with this really cute bag. So now let's go ahead and see what's in the other 2 bags. Okay, so now this one has like a big clear plastic sticker over the front of it, where the other one didn't. This other one doesn't either. One of them did. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Okay, so it's the same bag. And we have taupe. The same eyeshadow. Is everything the same? The moisturizer, the same moisturizer, the same highlighter, which I really like that highlighter, the same lip gloss, and the same blush. So are these all the same? They're supposed to be mystery. Like, I was thinking they were gonna be different, and I was gonna show you different variations. So this one is exactly the same. So let me go ahead and open up the second one and see, because that one's exactly the same, product for product. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Same color, which I knew they were gonna be the same color, but let's see. Everything is the same. Blush, is this taupe? Taupe, eyeshadow, the IBY highlighter, and this is 24 Karat Magic. What's mine? 24 Karat Magic. And the Pixie by Petra and the moisturizer. So I bought 3 bags that are all exactly the same. So since I don't need 3 of the same exact product, You know what that means. Giveaway time. That's right. So if you are interested in getting this, if you missed out on this and you wanted to get it, I now have 2 that I'm going to give to 2 of you guys. So if you're interested, all you need to do is follow my simple rules, which is always the same in all of my giveaways. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel, because that's why I do my giveaways, to show my appreciation to those that are actively supporting me in a positive way. I want to give back to you guys to show my appreciation, because I do appreciate every single one of you guys. I wouldn't be where I am today without you. So thank you so much for that. So be subscribed to my channel, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, not down, a big thumbs up. Leave 1 comment down below. You must have the words enter me and then whatever else, unless you just want to say enter me. If you want to tell me what your favorite product is inside of the bag, yeah, do that. Put enter me and put what you're most excited about in this bag. Is it the bag itself? Is it the highlighter? Is it the IBY product? Is it the blush product? Is it the taupe eyeshadow? Is it the moisturizer? Let me know which item you are most excited about in this bag with the words enter me in your comment. You must have a United States shipping address for me to ship them to, and you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent, have somebody that's over the age of 18 enter in for you. A parent, a legal guardian, or somebody over the age of 18. That is all. So subscribe, like, comment, enter me with which item you are most excited about, have a United States address, and be over the age of 18 or have somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you. I will go ahead and run this for 1 week. That's all. Short and sweet. I will run it for 1 week. At the end of that week, I will use a random comment picker to pick the comments. And if you have enter me and which item you are most excited about, 2 of you guys, I will then comment to your comment stating you have 48 hours to respond back to me, to give me your shipping address. I will put my email address there. That's where you will respond to the comment and send me an email. If you do not respond within that 48 hours, I will be forced to have the random comment picker choose another comment. And if that person has everything, then I will do the same thing. Same rules apply, 48 hours until I get a confirmed win. And then down in the description box where all of my official rules will be, I will have congratulations to so-and-so has 48 hours to confirm. Congratulations to so-and-so has 48 hours to confirm. Once I have confirmed, I will change it to confirm. So 2 winners, 1 bag each, you will win. I will ship them directly to you. I'll put them back in the gold bag and it'll go right to you. Those have not been opened or anything like that. I only opened my products, which this will go in my future giveaway pile when I do my next subscription box product one. So yeah, I've already got the other one ready. I just haven't finished editing to upload. So look out for that. That will be coming. And that one I have 3 winners in. So stay tuned for that one as well. And this will go for the next set, starting my collection all over again until it gets enough. So that is all, you guys. So if you want to enter, you know the rules, and one of these 2 sets could be yours. Holy moly, it is really, really hot in this room that I'm in. Oh my goodness. On that side of our house, it is 89 degrees. And then you walk to this side, which we have a small house, it feels 20 degrees hotter. It is so hot, but today I do not have my fan on high because I felt so bad on my new video. All you heard was the and I'm like, oh my gosh, but I can't re-record when I do a first impression, and I've already recorded it, so I feel so bad. Sorry again for that audio, you guys. I didn't realize it until I edited that video that for some reason the wind was blowing onto my phone, onto the speaker somehow. I'm not quite sure, but it is really, really hot in here, and I did not turn it up high because I did not want that to happen again. Good news though, we do have an appointment for somebody to completely replace our AC towards the end of this week, so hopefully only a few more days of this heat and humidity here in Florida. Is disgusting, very, very hot and humid. So hopefully in a few days we will have a new AC unit, and hopefully we will not have these problems. That AC unit, I have no clue how old it is, but at least now we will know we should be good to go for a very long time with this new one that we will be putting in. Until then, it's going to be another very hot, uncomfortable, sleepless night. Last night, I think if I'm lucky, I got 1 complete hour between my little snoozes. Literally, I laid awake all night long last night. It was so hot and uncomfortable and just disgusting. I have a migraine. I hate being hot. I hate it. So enough about that. A few more days, I should be good. I mean, some people don't even have AC at all. I don't know how anybody would here in Florida because it's so humid, but people do, so I should be appreciated that at least we had an AC unit up until Sunday. That worked. So there you go. So that is everything that I have for you guys. If you do not like these items or you already got this, let me know what you thought about the mystery bag. I still want to know. Your positive interaction with me means the world, but if you do want to enter, follow those simple rules and one of these 2 bags could be yours. So thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in and watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so then you can enter into the giveaway and all my other future ones. And you get to watch the videos that I do load for you guys. So that's cool. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.